In this video, we will solve question number 39 of NSEP 2022, and question is: a small block A of mass 2 kg is attached to a spring of force constant 1200 Newton per meter and rests on a smooth horizontal surface at x equal to 0. This is the position of x equal to 0 as shown in figure. A second block of B, this is second block. This is second block of B of mass 1 kg slides along the surface towards A. This is A. This is A at 6 meter per second and sticks to it, assuming that the collision occurs at t equal to 0. Position x in meter of block A as shown as a function of time t is expressed. We have to determine the expression for x equal to something. So these are the options. So we try to solve it, and first suppose kinetic energy. We know that kinetic energy is half mv square. Mass is 2 kg and 1 kg. So total mass becomes total mass of the system becomes 2 plus 1 means 3 kg, and velocity of combined mass, it is given in question. Combined mass after collision it is 2 meter per second. It is given in question, and by conservation of momentum, kinetic energy it should be half mv square. So kinetic energy at t equal to 0, so it becomes half. M means 2 plus 1 3 and v square is 2 square. 2 into 2 4 divided by 2, 3 into 2 6 joule. So kinetic energy of the combined mass, it should be 6 joule. And suppose if amplitude of simple harmonic motion is A. So we have energy half kx square and half k means 1200 and a square. Suppose amplitude is A. X, maximum value of x, it should be amplitude. Maximum value of x is A, so energy becomes half into 1200 into a square. So it becomes 600 a square, and we know that 600 a square should be equal to 6, or a square should be equal to 6 upon 600 means 1 upon 100, and a should be 0.1 meter. Value of a should be 0.1 meter. So angular frequency of oscillation omega, it should be under root k upon m. Under root k is 1200, it is given in question, and m is 3, so it becomes 1200 upon 3 means under root 400, or 20 second inverse 1. And suppose equation of motion is x equal to a sine omega t plus delta. A we have calculated 0.1 sine omega 20 we have determined t plus delta, and at t equal to 0, x equal to 0, at t equal to 0 and x equal to 0, delta should be 0, pi, etc. So if we differentiate this equation, x equal to 0.1 sine 20t plus delta, so if it becomes velocity, that should be equal to dx upon dt, and a differentiation of sine omega t plus delta is omega cos omega t plus delta. So velocity is a omega cos omega t plus delta, and now put the value v is equal to a is 0.1, omega a is 0.1, omega is 20 cos omega t plus delta, omega t plus this term becomes 0 as t equal to 0 plus delta. So at t is equal to 0, at t is equal to 0, v is 0.1 into 20, 2 cos delta, and for delta 0, pi, etc., cos 0 becomes 1, cos pi becomes minus 1. So at t is equal to 0, v becomes minus 2 meter per second if delta is pi, and if delta is 0, then it becomes v is plus 2 meter per second. So x equal to a sine omega t plus pi if delta is pi, and if delta is pi, then we can write minus a sine omega t and minus a is 0.1 sine omega is 20 t. So for delta equal to pi, x equal to minus 1 sine 20 pi t. This is value of x, and now we can see the option. The option is D. Option is D. The answer should be the D. So this is the solution of question number 39 of NSEP 2022. Now we will meet again with another question. Thank you.